It's a lovely evening, and we are expecting to have a cracker of a match here.
The match referee and both the captains are in the middle. The captain has opted to bat first after winning the toss.
These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Well placed into the gap, possible too. Poor running between the wickets, really poor. Good shot for a single. That was a poor throw. Needs to be a lot more accurate. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a six. Turned away for a single. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Well, he has to bowl that one again. Batsman covers the line of the ball as he defends. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Very good running between the wickets. Wow, that was a really wide throw.
The earliest years of a child's life are not
Spinner brought into the attack. And the batting power play comes to an end. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Short leg in. Expect some short stuff from the bowler. Well placed into the gap, possible too. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Oh, he's thrown it wide. Well, you can sense something is going to happen here. The bowler not allowing the batsman to free his arms. Well played, but straight to the fielder. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Neat textbook style defense from the batsman. Last ball coming up. Good shot for a single. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line of the ball. Carved away through the gap for four. That is smart batting. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Very well struck. Nobody's going to catch that unless in the crowd. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. Plenty happening out there. Fielding captain needs to calm his bowlers down before the umpire interferes. Wonderful sound of the bat, and that's a six. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win.
You have shown some outstanding performance today. What was your thought process at that time?
I'm really helpful for the skipper to have so much faith in me, and it really helped me out there.